Hello, welcome to my channel VBA Basic. So today we are going to discuss about VBA, means Visual Basic for Application. So let us see what is visual and what is basic and what is application. So to know, first we'll go to the basic. What is a basic? Basic means beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code developed by Kimney and Coates in 1964, which is purely DOS based. So the commands which we were giving was given only in a DOS base to get the output. So it is purely developed for the non-mathematical and non-science students. So since then it grew into popularity and people started using extensively. Due to its popularity in 1991, Microsoft has developed Visual Basic. Visual Basic in the sense like the basic was done, the programming was done in DOS. Whereas in Visual Basic, we have a kind of a platform where you can drag and drop the command buttons, text box, those kind of things. So, so since then, Visual Basic 4.0, then Visual Basic 5.0. So likewise, no, it grew in importance. But the problem was with the VBA. VB is procedural language, not OOPS concept, not object-oriented programming. So in 2008, Microsoft told that like if they are not going to support VB anymore. So due to its importance, or you can say its popularity, they wanted to retain VB in some way. So they chose applications. What are our applications in Microsoft applications? We have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access. These are applications, different applications. So they want to retain VB. So they have included one of the uh, as a programming language in each of the languages. So if you open Outlook, you can see a VB. If you open a Word, you can see VB language. You can open Excel, you can see. So currently, the most popular languages are Access and Excel. So today we are going to discuss about the Excel programming, which will be done in for the VBA. Okay, let me open Excel. See, you can see a lot of tabs here, ribbons. You can set ribbons. So to write any programming in VB, we have to insert in a ribbon called developer. So for that one, we have to click on the file, go to options, click on customize ribbon, and click on the developer. See, once I click on the developer, this ribbon will appear here on your Excel sheet. So these are different icons are there. So let's see one by one. The one which we are seeing here is a Visual Basic. Let me click on that icon, or you can go by shortcut key as a Alt F11. Once I click the Visual Basic, this page, this window consists of three things. One is window code, one is properties, another one is project explorer. So by mistake, if you close these things, I can again retain by using clicking on view, and click on project explorer, and click on properties windows. So whenever we write a program, we always have to write a program in a module, not in the Excel. If I click on the sheet 1, you can see a code window, but this is not the place where we write the programming. So if you write programming in this sheet, it will be applicable only to the particular sheet. So if you want to work for different sheets, for example, I have different sheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So to write programming for each and every sheet, then I had to write in a module. So, so these are the representation of the graphical representation of the sheets, which we are able to see the tabs here in the Excel sheet. Okay. So now I'll create a module to insert a module, there are different ways. I can click on any of the icon here on any of the sheet, right click on insert and click on the module, or you can go directly to the insert and click on the module. So let me click on the module. So I can name the module in the properties windows as a basics. Okay, so now once I run, that module will be changed as a basic. If you want to create one more module, you can just go and insert a module. Again, you can put as a so if you want to remove any module, just right click on the particular module, just click on the remove dummy. But you have to say here, see, do you want to export dummy before removing it? So we don't have anything to export, so you have to say no instead of yes. Click, it will be removed. So this is the place where we write the programming VBA program. So let me write with the sub procedure, sub sub. Let me put as a caps or small letters. So this is a sub. So we are telling the program that the code will start from here. So the shortcut of sub procedure is sub and a name. For every person there is a name. Kind of then the sub program is also having a name. So I'm putting as my basics. Once I click enter, automatically two parentheses, open and close parentheses, will be opened and an end sub will be created automatically. This is the place where we write the programming language. Okay, the rest will be in the next class. Please tune to my channel. Bye. Thanks.